morning, guys. Today's video is going to be what I eat in a day, college edition. So I'm going to show you guys what I eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Actually, I'm going to skip breakfast today. I do have a rock climbing class that I need to get ready for, so I will see you after that. So sorry I look like this. I just got back from rock climbing, but I'm going to be making breakfast right now, breakfast/lunch, because it's kind of 11:30-ish. Right now I'm going to be making a croissant with ham, egg, and cheese. This is a recipe that Starbucks uses, and it's really good, and I wanted to recreate it because I think it's $5 at Starbucks for a sandwich, and I can get stuff so much cheaper and just make it on my own, even though I'm kind of lazy. So we're going to try that recipe today. Okay, I have all of my ingredients. We have honey ham, 1 egg, some Swiss cheese, and then some croissants. They look so good. So we're going to start by cooking the egg. Cutting croissants is not easy. We also don't own a bread knife, so that made it a little more difficult, but this is what it looks like, and I think it looks pretty good. I also put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds just so the croissant and everything was warm all the way through. So now it's time for the taste test. This is super messy. I just think I didn't cut it right, but I did cut it in half, which makes it so much easier to eat. It's delicious. Again, there's egg, cheese, and ham, just like the Starbucks one. Obviously, it's not Starbucks, but it is pretty good, and it's cheaper to do it this way, and I'm definitely going to use this recipe again. Hello, so I'm all showered up. I just had a class at 1:15. It is now 3:33. I'm gonna make a little snack. I'm not really hungry because I ate at 11:30, and I'll probably eat dinner a little early today. So we're gonna make a protein shake right now. I'm super excited. I have this recipe that I really like. It is a chocolate protein shake. So I'm gonna go ahead and gather the ingredients. Okay, so I have all the ingredients, so I'm going to go over those right now. First off, you need 3/4 cup of vanilla unsweetened almond milk. So we're going to be using this. As you can see, it's almond milk, unsweetened, and it's vanilla. Then you need 1 scoop of good quality protein powder. We're going to be using this TEAMI Blends protein powder. I've showed you guys this in another video. I really like this stuff. It's 100% plant-based, organic protein, vegan, non-GMO, and then dairy and soy free. So we're going to be using this. Also, if you guys want a discount code, use IBTUM for 15% off, and then IBTUM20 for 20% off, $40. So I'll have that all linked down below. Then you need a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and then half cup of frozen banana. So I have this banana that I pre-froze, and I just cut it up into little coin slices. Then you need 1 tablespoon of almond butter or peanut butter. So I have peanut butter, and then 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then ice cubes. So we're gonna start putting this all together in my blender. that is done. It's in this little cute tumbler that they gave me, and it absolutely tastes delicious. The peanut butter mixed with the chocolate mixed with the bananas just tastes so good, and it's super good and healthy for you. I'm gonna drink this, and then I'm gonna clean up the entire mess that I made in my kitchen. And then I'm also probably just gonna go do homework or watch some Netflix. I'm not really sure which one. And then we're gonna see you at dinner, so yeah. It's now about 5:40 p.m. and I'm gonna make some dinner. I kind of had a big lunch, so I'm just gonna have a baked potato for dinner. I absolutely love baked potatoes, they're super good. So I just do baked potato, cheese, and then butter. So we're gonna make that right now. Okay, here are the potatoes that I got. Obviously I'm only gonna make one because 3 is a lot and they're kind of big. I bought these at Kroger, and typically you would make them in the oven, but I'm lazy and I think the oven, it takes 40 minutes, but I'm gonna cook them in the microwave, and that'll take about 2 to 3 minutes, which is really nice because I'm kind of impatient. When you're making baked potatoes, you want to make sure that you vent them, aka like stabbing them with a fork. So we're just gonna do this. I'm not really sure the purpose of it, but my mom does it and she tells me I should always do it, so that is why I do it. That should be good. Alright, I was apparently joking about the 2 to 3 minutes. It's actually 5 minutes, but I will probably end up taking out early or making sure that I poke more holes in it. I don't know the correct term, but we're just gonna say poking holes in it to vent it out. So yeah, I'm gonna let that cook, and then I'm gonna get out the other ingredients I need. I realized I didn't have a ton of shredded cheddar cheese left, so I'm just chopping up some cheese from this block. This will work perfectly. I'm gonna take the baked potato out, and then I'm gonna just melt this cheese on it in the microwave for a few more seconds. Doesn't look like your typical potato, but trust me, once we put this back in the microwave for a little bit, this cheese is gonna melt and it's gonna be delicious. This is what you just have to do. You just gotta be adaptive and work with it. So like I said, with the cheese melted, it looks super good and also tastes amazing, and I'm so excited to eat this. Baked potatoes are super easy to make. As you can tell, that took me under 10 minutes, and it looks delicious. It tastes good. You can also add so many things. I just add cheese and butter just to make it simple, and that's kind of what I like. But as you can see, like, it just looks so good. But you can also add like sour cream, bacon bits, really whatever your heart desires. There are 2 things to know when making baked potatoes. First off, never put the skin down the garbage disposal or down the drain. Always just throw it out in the garbage. But the second part of this is you should eat the skin of the potato. I used to not like it, but my mom told me it was really good for you, and actually is really good for you. So yeah, I really like it, and it just saves you from having to throw it out. It's about 8 p.m. and I don't really have anything to do tonight, and I'm home alone, so I thought I would treat myself a little bit. I'm going to be watching a movie. I have to pick one, which might take a while, but I'm gonna watch a movie, and while I pick one, I'm going to make some popcorn. This is just Pop Secret. It's movie theater butter. I'm obviously not gonna finish most of this, but I'm either gonna save it, although I don't know how well they save popcorn, or just throw it out because I have so many popcorn packages. I also am gonna treat myself to some wine because I'm 21 and I can. I don't really like red wine and I like white wine, but this wine that I'm drinking is Barefoot Pink Moscato. It's pretty sweet. It looks like this, if it will focus. It's pretty sweet, but I think it tastes really good, and yeah, so it's a night of treating myself. A lot of people also think that I'm younger than I am, but I actually am 21 and I'm a senior in college, so totally allowed to do this on a Thursday night. But yeah, I'm just gonna pour myself a healthy portion. have my popcorn, wine, and water, and I am deciding on a movie. This one looks really good. It's 6 Underground with Ryan Reynolds, but I have a bunch of ones that I can look at to watch. I almost forgot to wrap this video up, but I'm going to be getting ready for bed now. Thank you guys so much for watching my What I Eat in a Day college edition. Hope you guys got some fun recipes, and I will see you guys later. Bye!